So today you join me inside the Roadster. I'm going to be putting some of these cheap eBay speakers into the headrests over there. I'm going to start by cracking the zip here, and then it should just pull forward, revealing what's left of my speakers in there. So once you get in here, you'll be greeted by one out of three things. Either you'll have nothing at all, in which case your car didn't have the option when it was first bought. You'll have some speakers there, or like mine, you'll have the wiring but no speakers, so someone's probably removed them in the past. No, in my case, I can't see an easy way to take these wires out of this plastic housing here, so I'm just going to have to cut them off and rewire them on the other side, because I'm not going to be using these. If your car doesn't have the wiring, you're going to have to run wires yourself from your factory radio or upgraded radio. So rather embarrassingly, I stand corrected. It's a little rubber grommet that you can pull through. I found that out after I cut the wires off. Oh well, at least I know now for the other three. So if you do it properly, that's what it should end up looking like, instead of that. If your car didn't already come with speakers, you'll have to make holes like this so that the sound can actually pass through the headrest. It goes through both the foam and the plastic. So for the install in my car, I'm literally just going to spread the foam apart and push the speaker into place. Some people like to cut the foam here, like this, so it fits a little better, but I'm not going to do that. If, like me, you've hacked your wiring apart, just make sure you give it a test before you put it back together. So once you've got your speakers in, be sure to give them a test, make sure they work. Yep, sound good to me. So once everything's zipped up and back together, that's it, you're done. You can call it a day and enjoy your music. Happy days. If that helped you and you liked it, be sure to subscribe. If you don't want to, that's fine. Take care.